Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Queen Africa and today in our village I'm cooking chicken. As you've seen, it's already slaughtered. So after that, I've boiled my water and as you can see I'm removing feather. The water must be hot to make it easier for feathers to come out. And I want to inform you that I changed my name from Queen Myra to Queen Africa because my friends told me that the name was hard to find. So please stay tuned for more videos. I'm almost finishing removing feathers. Meanwhile, guys, subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, give this video a thumbs up. Continue watching my videos. I appreciate a lot. And if you are new here, feel welcome. And to my family, continue viewing. I appreciate a lot for your support. So I have to make sure the feathers, I'm done with feathers. Then from there, I will lit my fire so that I can burn the remaining feathers. As you can see, there is a wire mesh there. I'll put my chicken there to burn that, to burn the remaining feathers. Removing these feathers, so we have to put it on fire so that it can burn the. And here in our village, here I'm using 3 stones with firewood. That's what we use to cook here deep down in our village. So I'll remove the feathers, then I'll go to dispose it later after I'm done here. Let me check it. You just turn it around so that you make sure the feathers the feathers is burnt. And here in our place, we eat everything. I mean everything. We don't throw. Yeah, you remove. Beat head, feet. I'll burn the feet. These feet we eat in our village. You burn those feet so that you can move there's some part, there's an upper skin. You have to remove it, but you have to burn it to make it easier to be removed. I have to burn it again. And as you can see, I'm removing feathers, the remaining feathers. Yeah. How do you do it in your village? Do you do the same procedure as what I'm doing? In the comment section, let me know. So as you can see, I'm removing that upper skin from the chicken's feet because here in our village, we eat each and every part of the chicken. Even the feet we eat. I mean everything. In the comment section, do you eat everything? So after that, I'll cut into pieces. I'll cut into pieces. And this is the head. I'm removing some excess feathers, as you can see. Then I'll remove the tongue because it's edible, this head. As I told you, we eat everything here in our village. Because if we don't eat everything, my ancestors will feel sad. So as the chicken is boiling, this is the gizzard. You have to remove that upper part because it has some sands. Then after removing, you wash it. I will rinse with clean water again. Then these are intestines. So we have liver. And this liver, there's something, there's a part that has a green part. You have to make sure that part is removed because if you mistake cutting it, it will mess up the whole chicken. It's very bitter. In fact, it's very bitter. So you have to be careful when removing it. You have to be very careful because it's very bitter. So as you can see, I'm removing it. I have to wash it then. These are intestines. That's why I told you here in our village, we eat everything. We don't throw anything. So this intestine, what I'll do, I'll have to remove the dirt that is inside. As you can see, you just do like that. I'm removing the dirt. This one. The comment section, tell me, do you eat intestine? Just watch. Yes, it's very yummy. This one. I wash it, then I will rinse. This one we eat, guys. It's very nice. You do the same again. You remove that dirt. The dirt inside. You wash it again. You remove the dirt. Share, comment. The comment section, tell me. How do you prepare your chicken? In the comment section, do you eat intestines in your place? As I told you, in our village here, we eat everything. Tell me in the comment section, do you eat intestines? Do you eat gizzard? Do you eat liver? Or you have some parts that you don't eat? Just tell me in the comment section if you do so. Remove this. So after that, let me lit the fire first. As you can see, the chicken is boiling. You have to add water to make it boil a little bit longer so that it can be soft. So I'll add that gizzard and liver. I'll add the already boiling chicken. Let it boil. So after I rinse, I'll roll this intestine on the stick. on the stick. That's what we do here in our village. So I'm now cooking ugali. And we here in our village we use maize flour to cook ugali. As you can see, this is the final I'm finalizing, but we used flour, water. You have the water has to be boiling. And as you can see, this ugali is mine. This is mine alone. And this is banana leaf. We use it to store ugali. When you put it here there, it makes ugali hot for a period of time. So first you preheat it on the fire so that it can be soft. Then I will put ugali. You make sure you've covered it well. You fold it as I'm doing. You make sure you fold it well. Then you put it in a sufuria again. It will make ugali hot. So after that, as you can see, I have to taste this meal. Let me take my chicken. Let me serve myself my chicken. And as I told you, in our village, we don't taste food, we eat. Personally, I eat. I don't taste food. I eat. You see? You see that is chicken that I've cooked. This is the final process. As I told you, we eat in our village. We don't taste. I will add some kienyeji. We have kienyeji. I'll add some kienyeji. As you can see, that sufuria, that ugali, it will be hot. And whoever will come to eat will find when it's hot. I'll wash my hand so that I can eat this food, not to taste. As I told you, in Western we eat, or personally myself, I don't taste food. So before that, I pray. I have to pray before I eat. Okay, it's now time for action. Let me see what I've done, what I've cooked. This ugali is tasty. Let me taste chicken first. Mm. It's very yummy. Very yummy. Just watch as I eat, guys. I'm eating. And I have to finish this ugali. I have to. Meanwhile, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment.